Alright guys, welcome back to the next part of inserting door and window, and in this part I'm going to teach you how to insert window. So based on the sketch, I'm going to use like a very simple glass window over here and somewhere over here. So what I'm going to use is something from the CAD library, so let's check this one. Alright, so I wanted to use this tree. No, not this one. Something like this. It's a bit small, but we can always change the elevation later on. So I'm going to use this one. W3, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V. Okay. Now the same steps that we used previously. Change this one into window and door layer, and then turn this one into block, space, and then create W3 for window 3. 3 means tree panel. Right, so now the next thing is that we need to check the frame whether it's actually the same size with the wall. So now we can see that it's not the same. Alright, so we can change this one by clicking at the edit block definition and then click OK. Alright, same again, just move this one another 10 mm. Okay, because mine is using 140 mm brick wall. If you want to use 150 mm wall, is also okay for me. There's nothing wrong with that. But mine, because I've already used 140 mm, so I don't want to change that one. Alright, now we have somehow a 140 mm frame, and I want to make this door, the window, the glass pane a bit thicker. So I want to use like 10 mm. Okay, I'm just using 10 mm because the gap is more clearer if we print out. The actual size of a glass usually is around 6 mm. But for this one, I'm just using 10 mm. So close block editor and then save the changes to W3. Now we can insert these items in anywhere that you want. So I want this one to be over here. Okay. And another one to be over here. Okay. You snap at the center of this line and then you put it in the center of the line, and make sure to trim this wall line. So click at this frame boundary, space, and then select this line so that it trims the window lines for you. Okay, so for this one, I just want to make it even more bigger. So I want to copy another set of window, so I'm going to select here and put it over here. So I'm making sure that the frame is overlapping. So trim this one. Right, so now I have a full stretch of a glass door, and this area I just want it to be using a sliding glass door, because I want the view to be endless. When opening this door, you can see through the door. Okay, so this one I'm going to trim like this. Sorry, not trim, fillet. Okay, like that. And okay, let's try this window, this sliding door. So you can always reuse back these items. So maybe it's best to change this one a bit to another one. Maybe we just change this one to another block, or making it bigger, the size bigger. So I want to explode this one because I want to straight away add it from this one. So explode means it will go back to the individual lines. Okay, so once I'm done with the exploding, I'm going to check the size. I'll just remain this one as fixed door, and this one is the slide one. Okay, so like this, F8, and you need to insert the text of slide. Can make this text smaller. Even smaller than this. We can try 50. Okay, because this is just an indication. Right, so that's how you draw a sliding door as well. So I'm going to change this one to here. Alright, so that is what the simple items for inserting door and window. Alright, so you don't have to worry about the design because you can always change. As long as you get the first draft of an actual AutoCAD plan, you can always move another steps further. You can't expect to have a complete design when you draft the plans, because it is based on a process. So let's just stop until here, and I'm going to teach you how to insert the floor and the steps over here. So I need a floor here, and also over here, and also a decking over here. So see you in another part of tutorial video. Thank you.